Hello Pink Angels and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm coming back at you with another haul. I love filming hauls and I know that you guys love watching them. These are my most favourite videos to watch and probably my most viewed videos ever. So I'm back doing another haul. I haven't done one since the beginning of summer and now it's the end of summer, almost autumn time, and I've been doing quite a bit of shopping, so I really wanted to show you guys what I've got. I'm really excited. There's some really exciting things from Guess, Victoria's Secret, Too Faced, Asos, lots of different really good shops. I'm so excited to show you, and yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get on with this. So before I get started, please do make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can click that button down below, you can click the little box with my face in it, and there's also a button at the end where you can click my face and subscribe. It's easy, it's free, and I really do appreciate when you subscribe to my channel. If you do, my name is Amy and I post lots of pretty pink beauty, fashion and lifestyle content, which always involves lots of pink, so please do make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please do follow me on Instagram. It's at @alohaamy_, and there's always lots of pink content on there. So over the summer I have done shopping here and there, but I haven't done like a massive haul, and I like to do them kind of seasonally. So we're almost into autumn time. I don't like autumn, like I think the weather is really rubbish. I love winter and I love summer, but I just think end of summer is really sad. I just normally don't really want autumn to come along, but Gabby DiMartino has been making me feel quite autumnal and really wanting me to get in the autumn spirit. Her vlogs and her Instagram has really been making me quite excited for autumn, so that is what inspired my haul. She also did a massive designer haul and that really inspired me to go shopping. I was going to go shopping anyway, but I thought, you know what, Gabby's gone and done a big haul, so can I. Mine is not quite as big as hers, but I got some really good things and I'm excited to show you. But I just want to apologise for my voice. I am not really very well at the moment and my voice sounds really funny because I keep on losing it and I keep coughing, so please bear with me. I do apologise for that. So I went to a few different places. I went shopping in town, I went to a designer outlet which is near Edinburgh. It's quite far away from my house because I'm from Glasgow, but I drove along that way to go to the designer outlet, and I also got some things from Asos. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with what I got in town. So the first place that I went to was Victoria's Secret. It was a weekday and it was really quiet, so it was amazing. I got some really cute things, and the first thing that I picked up was this top. So Victoria's Secret Sport isn't a thing anymore. They're doing Victoria's Secret Lounge instead. So it's more kind of like comfy, casual clothes, which I really do love. So I picked up this beautiful little wrap top. It's this gorgeous kind of slightly darker pink colour. I'm obsessed with the colour and it's just so cute. It looks like it's really low and it is quite low, but I really do love it and it's just so beautiful on. I'm obsessed with it. It's very like ballerina style, and I just think with like high-waisted jeans or a high-waisted skirt this just looks so pretty, and it's kind of perfect for transitioning into autumn time because it has longer sleeves but it is still cropped, so it's not too warm, so it's just perfect. And they also had a sweatshirt online that I really wanted and I couldn't find it. They don't have it in store yet, so I'm going to keep my eyes peeled for that and go in and get that when it is available. They also had some new body sprays out, and you know I'm a sucker for a Victoria's Secret body spray. I can't help myself, and I'd seen these on Twitter. I think Gabby had posted about them saying that these were new, and oh my god, they are amazing. So there's 4 new scents. I will put the Instagram story that I posted, and I smell every single one of these, and this one was my favourite. It's vanilla cream, marshmallow sprinkles, slice of heaven. That is what it says. Cake confetti is like the perfect way to describe this. Like it literally does smell like cake. It smells so good, and I find this actually lasts on my skin really well. Like quite often I find body sprays fade quite quickly, but this really doesn't. I smell this all day. Like I'll be sitting at my laptop just minding my own business and then I will smell it and I'll be like, oh my god, so good. Smells amazing, and I've been getting so many compliments on this as well this week, so highly recommend this. And I'm going to go back and get the matching body lotion because it's that good. So that's all that I picked up in Victoria's Secret. Then I went into New Look, picked up a couple of things from the teen section, and I think it's called 915, and this is the first thing that I got. So it's this beautiful skirt. I just thought this was so cute. They had one similar to it in the adult section, but I actually preferred the teen one, so I just got an age 14-15. And this is what it looks like. It's just this really cute grey and black checkered skirt. It looks really cute for accessorising with a cute little top or jumper in the autumn time, and some over-knee boots. It's just so pretty. I love the little zip fastening. It also goes really nicely with this top because this is quite high-waisted, and these two look really, really cute together. I've already worn this outfit and I loved it, so that was really cute. And then I also got a really pretty little dress. Oh yeah, it is 915 Generation, that's what the brand's called. And this is the dress that I got. So in case you haven't noticed already, I'm obsessed with checks, patterns, little tartan dresses and skirts, especially in autumn winter time. I just think it's perfect. So it's this really cute little bodycon black check dress, and I think this with like a little top on underneath is going to be so cute. It's really stretchy and comfy, and again with like over-knee boots or ankle boots, this is going to be such a pretty autumn outfit. I really am excited to wear this, and it's very kind of like Clueless vibes, which I really like, especially in autumn time. So I feel like it wouldn't be an Aloha Amy haul if I didn't pick up something from Too Faced. I always seem to have something from Too Faced in my hauls. I just really do like Too Faced, and it just seems to work out really good timing for my hauls. I always get my Too Faced things from Debenhams, and I get them when they are on a deal. They have quite regular deals of like 10-15% off. I just have like a wish list of things that I want at Too Faced, and then I keep my eye out for the sales. And then I also have a Debenhams beauty card voucher, which means that I get £5 off every now and again when I build up points. So it's a really good system, and basically it helps to save me money to buy my high-end items that I really like. So these are the two products that I got. They're two lip products. So the first one is the Lip Injection Extreme. So this is a limited edition one, and it's in the colour Pink Peacock. And it's one of these tingly lip glossies that is meant to make your lips bigger, and this one allegedly has like collagen in it and is meant to make your lips bigger like over time. Not really sure if that's true, but it's this bright pink colour. If you put too much on, then it does go this colour, but if I just put like a very thin layer on, then it just is like a nice sparkly gloss. So it's really pretty, it smells nice. It reminds me of like lip glossies when I was a child. Like that's what they smelled like the ones that you got in magazines. How good was it? I always picked a magazine for the best lip gloss that you got free with it. And the next lip gloss that I've got is in the shade All the Stars, and I've seen this all over Instagram. It's so beautiful. Look at that sparkly colour, like it's absolutely stunning. This one smells like vanilla. It smells so good, and it's beautiful and sparkly, and it just is a really beautiful sparkly lip topper. I'm obsessed with it, and it's got like really pretty like iridescent sparkles through, like kind of golden pink colours. It's just the most gorgeous champagne pink lip gloss ever. It's so pretty. From Debenhams, they sell one of my favourite handbag and shoe brands, and that is Faith. And I got this really, really cute pouch for travelling. So it's just this really pretty pink silver ombre pouch, and it looks like this. It's got baby pink, and basically this just opens up to being this really practical folder for all of your travel documents. So it's got space for your passport, you can put like your driver's license in there, a pen, and then it says documents and spending money, and then there's slots for your credit cards and a little pocket. It's just so practical, and for traveling you want to be super organized, and this is just so cute. This would be perfect just to take in your hand luggage with all your essentials, and I just really, really like that. This is kind of random, I'm just throwing this in here. I was in Sainsbury's again getting my dinner, and I just had a little look around, and I found this really cute scarf. I think it's actually a snood. Yeah, it is. It's just this really beautiful pink embroidered scarf, snood, sorry, and it's got these really pretty sequins on it, like iridescent sequins. It's just a really pretty colour, and I think in autumn time it's really nice to just like accessorise with like your coats and things with a really cute scarf, and it's just really delicate and pretty, and I really like this one. So I have been on the lookout for a long time for a cable knit dress. I love cable knit, and I found this really cute dress, and they only had it in a bigger size, but I just bought it because I thought it would be kind of cute oversized, and I think that is a good move because it probably would have been too short if I bought it in my size. So I made the right decision, and it's just this really cute, like super big oversized mini dress, and I just love it. With over the knee boots, again obviously like an autumn staple, over the knee boots are an essential. I'm still on the lookout for a really cute grey pair, but I will get them eventually. This is honestly so thick and so cozy. I'm so excited to wear this on like a day where I start lectures super early and I just want to be cozy. This is going to be an essential. So this is from a brand called Collection Pimki. I've never heard of it before, but it was the last one and I got it on sale, and I think it's really cute. So the next dress is really cute. It's pink, it's my colour, and it's perfect for autumn winter time. I think you guys are going to really like it, so I will link it down below because I'm pretty sure that quite a few of you will want to buy this. So this is what it looks like. So it's this gorgeous baby pink wrap dress, but it's knitted, so it's so cozy. If you can't tell already, I'm really loving like wrap kind of tops and dresses. It's just so cute. Like, it kind of looks like a dressing gown, not gonna lie, but how pretty is this? It's got this gorgeous tie as well, and it's just really comfy and cozy, again with boots and a cute necklace like this. This is going to be such a cute outfit. It's going to be such a staple for my autumn wardrobe. So next place I went to was the designer outlet, and I've got this big Guess bag right here with all of the things that I got. First place that I went to was a beauty outlet, and I got a few essentials. So I got a couple of pairs of lashes. So these are the Rosie B lashes, like Rosie B the YouTuber. These are just kind of like 3/4 length lashes, which is what I always wear. I normally wear the Eylure Fleur de Force ones, but these are Eylure Rosie B. They looked pretty similar, and I thought I would give them a go, and they were only £3 and they should be £6, so I thought that was such a good deal. And then I went a little bit crazy with the nails because they were all really pretty, so I'm going to pick them all out. Like I've mentioned before, I really like to just wear stick-on nails. I use the Impress ones normally. They're really good. They come with an adhesive little tab and also some glue, and I use both those and stick the nails on. They fit really well, and these last me for about 2 to 3 weeks, which is amazing. Saves me having to paint my nails, and I just put the wee mini glue in my handbag, and if I need to fix my nail on the go then I do that. But overall I don't really have many issues with them. I really do like them. So I've got a few different brands to test out as well while I was here. So the first pair look like this. Baby pink and rose gold. I just thought these were really pretty. I haven't heard of this brand before, but they look really pretty and elegant, and I like them. Then I got these Elegant Touch ones. Elegant Touch always look massive to me, like the nails always look really wide, and I do have quite small hands, so I don't know how these will go, but these ones looked okay, and they're just really pretty. Kind of pink pearlescent with little pearls stuck to them, which is so sweet, and I was excited to try them. I also got these ones, which are more square nails, and they are just a slightly darker pink. And then from Kiss, I just felt like getting some Canadian ones because you never know. If I go to Canada again, I'd obviously put these on. But I thought these were quite fun. And then I also got the ones that I'm wearing, these ones here, which I'm really loving. They're just white and gold with little diamantes. I think they're really cute, and I really like the shape of them. It's really hard not to lose my voice. Oh. So I went to the Marks and Spencer's outlet, and I was really impressed. I basically walked in and saw the most beautiful pink trousers, and I've been on the lookout for a really good pair of light pink trousers that are just a really nice soft material but aren't see-through. I've purchased a few pairs before but always returned them because they're just not quite perfect until I found these. These are so lovely. So this is what they look like. They're just really nice, like tailored trousers, and I just think with a really nice pair of court shoes, these are just going to be so cute with like a white lacy top. They're the perfect pink colour, and they're high-waisted, and I just really like them. They're just very elegant. I mean, with heels, these are just going to look so good. So I'd been searching everywhere for pink fluffy slippers to match my pyjamas. I knew that last year Victoria's Secret did some like that, but they didn't have them anymore, and honestly I'm not willing to pay a lot of money for slippers because they do fall apart, they do get worn really quickly. So I was really lucky and I found this pair in Marks and Spencer's. These literally only cost me £5, which was amazing. They're pink and they're fluffy and they literally match my bedroom, my pyjamas, everything. They match perfectly and I just really like tying everything together, and these are really cute and comfy and very cozy, so I'm going to put them on now. So my final purchase was from Guess. I bought myself another handbag because I have a problem and I love handbags. So yeah, I bought a new one and they had a really nice selection of handbags. There was a lot of pink in Guess, which I was really impressed with, so I chose this really cute bag. It's different than anything that I have. I actually don't own a mini backpack or any kind of backpack, so I picked up this really cute little backpack. It's baby pink and quilted and it's got this really nice silver hardware. I don't have any bags with silver hardware, so I thought this was really different, and it's just the sweetest little backpack. I love quilted bags, I think they look so elegant, and this one also is great because there's poppers at the side so you can make the bag bigger if you need to. I just thought this was really stylish and really cute, and I'm going to switch this up to be my everyday bag at the moment because I've been using my Ted Baker bag all summer and I want to give it a little bit of a rest, so I'm going to be using this one. I just think it's so cute. I feel like I'm going to school. And then just before I started filming this haul, the postman came to the door, and technically I didn't buy this. This is a PR package, but I want to show you guys because it's my first ever PR package and I'm so happy about it, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I already showed you on Instagram, but I just want to include it in here too. So I got a PR package from Soap and Glory, so it's in this beautiful pink box and it came all with pink tissue paper. And I received a note saying, "Hey Amy, we're so excited for you to be one of our babes of glory. Please find enclosed some of our original pink best sellers from Team Soap and Glory," and I'm so excited about this. So they sent me some really cute stickers. I love stickers and these ones are pink, so that's fabulous. And I got the Righteous Body Butter. I used to use this in high school. It smells, oh it's amazing, and this is like a really big tub of it. So good, especially in winter time. You just need a thick body butter. This is perfect. And then I also received the Flake Away body scrub. I love this. It's amazing for scrubbing off your fake tan and just leaving you with the softest, smoothest skin. Oh, it's so nice. It's got grapeseed, sea salt and almond oils. Oh my god. Oh, it's that signature Soap and Glory scent that you just cannot mistake. Like I could spot this scent from miles away. It's so iconic. I just love that everything from Soap and Glory is pink. It just makes me really happy. So thank you so much to Soap and Glory for sending me that. I'm so excited. It means so much to me that I've received my first ever PR package. It just makes me really happy. And also thank you so much to you guys because, like I said on Instagram, I could not do this without you guys. I would not be able to receive products like this, which is so amazing. I'm so lucky and it just means the absolute world to me. So thank you so much. I really hope that you enjoyed my haul. I know that there's quite a few things in this, but you guys love to see pink things that I buy and I love showing you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed it and that my croaky voice didn't bother you too much. I just really wanted to get this video up for you because I was so excited about everything that I bought. So yeah, with all that being said, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, my face or the button down below, or just in the end screen you can click my face. It means so much to me when you subscribe and I really do appreciate it, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!